To change date and time on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first we need to open a settings on our phone, then scroll down looking for the general management. Open it and then look for the date and time. Right here we can adjust all of the settings. So first is automatic date and time. You can deactivate this option to adjust your date and time manually using settings below. I prefer to use automatic as changing those settings manually can cause some network issues. Next is automatic time zone that you can select. If you disable it, then there's options to pick it manually. You can then also activate set time zone based on your location, and it will just make that automatic time zone more accurate if you enable this option. And finally, last thing is to use 24 hours clock, and you can switch between 12 hours and 24 hours right here. And that is basically everything.